To activate a gig on Fiverr from the draft, follow these steps. Log into your Fiverr account. Access Fiverr. Log into your Fiverr seller account. Navigate to your gigs. Go to your dashboard. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page and select Dashboard. Find the Gigs section. In the left-hand menu, click on Gigs to view all your gigs. Access the draft gig. Locate the draft gig. Scroll through your gigs and find the one that's in draft status. Click on Edit. Select the gig you want to activate and click the Edit button next to it. Complete the gig setup. Complete all sections. Make sure all the required fields are filled out, including gig title, category and metadata, pricing and package options, description, FAQs and requirements, relevant media. Any missing details will prevent the gig from being activated. Publish the gig. Save and publish. Once all the sections are completed, click Save and Preview, then click Publish. Gig review and activation. If everything is in order, your gig will go live. If further review is required, Fiverr will notify you.